In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So currently this is our wallpaper. To change it, just open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and here you can find several sources from which you can pick your wallpaper. So it can be one from My Wallpapers, Gallery, or Wallpaper Services. It's up to you. Let me pick My Wallpapers, and here you've got those options. So just pick the one that you would like to apply, for example this one, and then decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And this is how it can look like. If you still want to apply it, just tap on Set on Lock and Home Screens. And as you can see, it has been done. You can also apply different color palette. Here you can change it. I like this one, so let me apply this one. And this device has been customized, but the main core is that we changed the wallpaper, so this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.